This is Dr. Blake Shusterman, and this is our second installment of Sodium 101. Many people think that sea salt and kosher salt are healthier and lower sodium alternatives to table salt. This is a misunderstanding that can get you into trouble if you're eating a low sodium diet. Now, technically, because of the size of the grains, a spoonful of sea salt will have a little less sodium than a spoonful of table salt. But this small difference is not big enough to give you any health benefits. So, when trying to decide which type of salt to use the next time you're cooking, worry less about the type of salt and focus on staying under the daily recommended allowance of 2,300 milligrams. Choose your salt based on flavor and texture, or try a squeeze of lemon juice. Let it enhance your food without overpowering it, and don't let a heavy hand contribute to your high blood pressure, kidney disease, or heart disease. We'll see you next time on our next installment of Sodium 101.